How to activate my Costco card? So you need to download Costco app first and you have to log in with your Costco account. To activate the card, click on My Costco on the app homepage. Then tap on Get Your Digital Membership Card and take a photo of yourself. Your card will then appear and will say pending. You then need to take your card to the nearest warehouse to activate it. After completing the activation process, you should receive a confirmation that your Costco membership card is now active and ready to use. You can use this card after this confirmation letter. Thank you for watching the video.